Well, I think if we had all the money in the world as a society, the way we would actually teach students is we'd hire them all these experts. What's revolutionary about what we're doing is that with generative AI technology, we now have the ability to facilitate this one-on-one expert experience for every student.
Welcome to Jessup Plus AI. Bienvenidos a Jessup Plus. Jessup Plus AI에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
Within the context of Jessup Global, we have launched recently Jessup Plus AI, which is a complete new modality of learning.
Jessup Plus AI allows us to be leaders and forerunners and pioneers and be able to take our faith-based learning and be at the forefront.
At Jessup, we champion this tailored approach to learning, ensuring you not only absorb information, but truly connect with it. I'm here to sprinkle in those check-ins and recaps, ensuring everything is coming across just right.
AI now can actually detect if learning has happened. So you're getting assessed in real time, and you can test your knowledge if you really understood a concept in real time, instead of having to wait 7 to 10 days to write a paper on something and then get feedback from somebody to figure out if you've learned. We can do that instantly.
Jessup Plus AI is expediting the learning process, and so students have the ability to go through as quickly as possible without the limitations of traditional education.
Things I love about it is I could be driving down the road and I could be listening to the lectures, and it's not just a podcast, it's actually interactive. So while I'm listening to the lecture, if I go, wait, I don't understand that, it'll go into more details. If I say, hey, I get it, can we skip ahead? It'll say sure, and it'll skip ahead.
They can apply for a program and start in the next 30 minutes, start their program. So they don't have to wait for 3-4 months to get an application and get admitted. So it's really the speed to market, the speed to actually get their education, and the way they can personalize their entire track into their career, into their life goals. It sets this tool apart. We are now able to reduce the cost of education significantly. The quality went up in our education and the price went down. A smaller to mid-sized level Christian university in California is actually at the forefront, at the bleeding edge of innovation.
Jessup is going to be on the forefront of a new world. Hopefully it'll lead to a rapid growth at this institution we couldn't have had before without this type of technology.